All right, men, we got some personal boxes to do for you. We're going to start off with 21-22 Optic Hybrid, two of these. This was 6 and 7. Got a bunch more of these if anyone is interested. I also have, I came across the T-Mall case, and then I think I also have a handful of retail. I don't know why I had so much of this 21-22 Optic, but I have boxes that say retail on them. There might be like 6 or 8 boxes there. I don't know if you want to look at the checklist on those too, but I have retail, H2, and the T-Mall on these. All right. Isaiah Libers. J Kidd on the 75. De'Aaron Fox on the red. And Trae Young on the lighted up. I like these lighted up inserts, but they look like they should be numbered or short print or something. JT Thor on the rookie. Isaiah Jackson, red, Bridges. Devontae Graham is blue, non-numbered. Change the setup here a little bit. Hopefully it works for now. That way you guys can see me and the list of current breaks like we used to do. Joshua Primo, rated rookie. Herbert Jones, Zion on the silver prism. Jamal Murray red. There's an Elite Dominators. Giannis insert. Man, we woke up to some crazy trade news here. Braden's favorite team is the Lakers, and his least favorite player in the entire NBA was Luka. So that changed overnight. Interesting trade, to say the least. One of the bigger trades, obviously, ever. And if they lock him up long term, there's a Giddey, rated rookie Giddey. And a Thor rated rookie silver. And a Robinson Earl rated rookie red. And a Stargazing blue. I don't know if they're all blue. It looks a little different. Not numbered though. Trae Young. So quite the movement in the NBA with still 4 days to come. Here's hybrid number 2. Mike T, William, Matt J, Chris Foster. Let me know if you guys are in the room. I got a filler to run and I got a jersey to open. Jersey for Mike, filler for the rest of you. Personals available. We're doing some now for men. Davion Mitchell, Evan Mobley, Franz Wagner, Ben Simmons on the red, and Scotty Barnes, rookie red. Scotty Barnes. Brand new Hoops basketball came out. Donruss football comes out this week. I have some hobby tins. They're $20 each if you want to get a head start on Donruss. But the hobby boxes come out this week. The tins are just 3 packs. And they're a holiday version or something. Bones Highland. There's a Shea red. It's a nice little red Shea. Levine and Jaylen Brown. LBJ, Boston, Marcus Smart. There's LeBron red. LeBron James red. Man, he's still killing it. Me and Braden were watching the game last night. It's amazing. LeBron, Bradley Beal. After we watched the Royal Rumble, we finished the Lakers game. Quite the Royal Rumble last night for any WWE fans. Moses Moody, rated rookie. Jalen Suggs, Hayward on the silver. There's a Kuminga rated rookie red. Jonathan Kuminga, rated rookie red. And Bunjanovic. So nothing crazy in the first 2 there on the Optic. I think I have 19 more of those. What else we got? We'll do this soccer next. There's going to be a lot of base cards in these next couple boxes. I'm still looking in the chat for anybody else pop up. Keeping an eye out for that. But either way, when we're done with men's boxes, I'll have to run that other stuff. Well, I don't have to open Mike's jersey, I guess, if he's not here, but I got to run that filler. I did post a second filler, anybody that's interested. And then the breaks that we have right now are on the screen. Bowman is filling kind of quick, so people are definitely interested in that, and we're going to probably run that back for the second half of the case once we do it. All right, this is 24-25 Donruss Soccer Hobby Box, last one I have. Men's opened most of these, so we are downtown hunting. Let's do this a little different, man. Let's do it group break style. Maybe we'll have some better luck. Cards are all 18 different ways. No gold. I don't know how often they're supposed to come out. Is gold numbered to 10? Or 50? All right, Donruss Soccer. I'm not even flipping these things for the base cards. There's a jersey in the beginning of here. Weston McKennie on the jersey card. Weston McKennie. Got a red numbered Lisandro Martinez, numbered to 99 out of 99 on the Martinez. Anybody else here for the filler? Let me know. Or Mike T, if you're here, let me know. I'm going to do your guys' stuff after these personals. That one's out of 25. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Numbered to 25 on that one. Pulisic. This one's out of 199. That is Cancelo out of 199. I was thinking they started overloading on these downtowns altogether. I just think that Panini's kind of ruining the chase factor. But then after we open 6 boxes of Donruss and don't see one, I'm starting to think otherwise. But I've seen them popping up in these blaster boxes and random. Oh, well, that's a nice auto. Mbappe, and it's numbered to 99 on the blue. Beautiful game. Color match. Auto. Kylian Mbappe. Blue. Refractor auto. Numbered to 99. Very nice. It is 9 of 99. Hobey out of 199. Yeah, I started thinking they were printing too many of these downtowns, at least in football. I would see all these people on Facebook post these downtowns that they're hitting in blaster boxes and all this stuff, and Donruss Hobby's not even out yet. I'm like, holy heck, are they really killing the market for the downtowns? That's what happens anytime something's good. they find a way to ruin it, and that's not just Panini, just anybody, especially fanatics. Yeah, that's a nice hit there, Min. There's a Pulisic on the parallel. This one is numbered to 149. Fidel Ambriz out of 149 on the blue. Non-numbered. This one's numbered out at 299. Fulrich at a 299. Numbered to, it's Gustavo Puerta on the rated rookie, and it's numbered to 99. Kind of hard to see there at a 99 on the rookie. And that'll do it for Donruss Soccer. William, Chris Foster, Matt J, Mike T. Let me know if any of you guys are here. All right, first time we're checking these out. This is the 2024-25 NBA Hoops that just came out. One auto per box. Don't know what the breakdown is. 20 packs, maybe? $24 packs, okay. 24 on these ones, cool. All right, first time checking out hoops. We got 3 of these to do. I do have a couple left. So these are the base cards. There's a rookie. Carrington, Bub Carrington from Pitt, right here in Pitt. And what do we got upside down? Oh, we got an auto in the first pack. How about that? It is numbered to 25, too, low numbered. Hoops Inc. for the Grizzlies. Jake LaRivia for the Grizzlies. That is numbered to 25 on that one. First pack auto. Number to 25. Josh Hart out of 25. He had a good game last night. Number to 25 on the Josh Hart. And a Giannis Chrome. So is it one auto per box? Yeah, we just got it in the first pack. Wow. Yeah, not a rookie auto in there. Clinging. Steph Castle. Cody Williams, rookie. Larson. Cole Anthony is numbered to 49. Cole Anthony out of 49 on the blue. Anthony Edwards, Road to the Finals, is numbered to 999. 999. on the Anthony Edwards. I'm just going to put these here, that's easier. Steph Curry on the City Edition. Trae Young, High Voltage. A. Edwards on the chrome. Yeah, looks like they got some different type inserts, plus that chrome card at the end. Reed Shepherd. Looks like one per pack on that chrome style. Kind of like the stock NBA, the hoops stock that they did or whatever. Too many different things, man. I was looking back, I see lists of like how many brands there were in like 5 years, 6 years ago, and then you look to now and it's like double, triple the amount of stuff. I mean, just in that 21-22 Optic we opened, just the amount of different ones that they even have is insane. Non-numbered Jalen Johnson, and a green Jaquez Jr. is numbered to 149. Like, they just don't need to make hobby, retail, Asia T-Mall, hybrid H2, blaster, fat pack, mega box. Like, what the heck? That's the Prism. Silver Rosier. Clean on the chrome. Mike T, are you here? William, Foster, Matt J. Any of you guys here for when I'm done with these boxes? If not, we're still running the filler. Don't connect. Zubac. Wemby City Edition and a silver prism. A chew up. D'Angelo Russell. Road to the finals, Tatum. Jamal Sheed on the rookie prism. Number to 199 for the Bulls, Zach LaVine. Got a Bowman Draft Break half case, 4-box. If anybody's interested, it's random teams. We haven't done a lot of top stuff since Fanatics took over, but I have a case. We're going to do the first half and then line the second half. It's moving pretty quickly, and I got a filler that is full. We need to run. I posted a second filler. Autograph football is down to 14. Next jersey break 12. Those are the 3 we have up currently. Hoops number 2. highly doubt that we're going to get an auto in the first pack again, but we shall see. Nope. Camara is out of 199. Orange. Road to the finals, numbered to 999. DiVincenzo. LeBron on the anti-gravity insert. Prism Vassell. Cason Wallace. Ooh, that's a nice numbered Wemby out of 149. Wemby, number 2, 149. Second year now on the Wemby. Orange parallel there. Don't connect. Ignition rookie. Man, you want the Bowman draft break? You like Bowman, don't you? I know you like to do personals, but you can do some breaks too. That's a random team half caser. I don't know if this thing is some sort of shorter print, but that's the first one I've seen a Funkadelic insert, and that is Anthony Edwards. Kobe White. Oh, that's cool. This one is out of 199, and that's the regular one there. Number to 99, Koulibaly. Koulibaly, I forgot how you pronounce that. Koulibaly. Sheesh, LeBron James and Luka, teammates, silver on the Luka. Another LeBron insert. This is the Hoopla. Another LeBron insert. That's 3 packs in a row. Bronny James, rookie. Wemby insert. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. This is a LeBron box. You got 4 different inserts, I believe. I know, really crazy. Really crazy, man. There's the auto. It is a rookie auto this time. Rookie ink for the Mavericks, Melvin Njinka. Anthony Davis's teammate. Melvin Njinka. Rookie auto for Dallas. Sadiq Bey's out of 199. Last pack in the second box. Okay. Third and final box on the hoops coming up. Oh my goodness, dude. How many different inserts does he have? Holy heck. Devin Carter, rookie parallel for the Kings. Dalton Connect on the chrome rookie. Mike T, if you're here, let me know. I can open your jersey up here in just a second. And if you're in the filler, we're going to run that before I get off. We got Papa here. I need Matt J, who just texted me. William, Chris Foster, and I think that was it. No longer with them. Out of 199, the new Maverick AD. Topic on the chrome rookie. Bogdanovich. Trey Mann is numbered to 199. Oh my goodness gracious. That is insane. You've got every LeBron insert in the set, and they made way too many of them. We got next rookie, Jalen Tyson. Number to 199, Jaden Hardy. Jamal Murray's a prism. Which one's good? The high voltage. Oh, okay, good. Funkadelic rookie, Bronny James Jr. Funkadelic on the Bronny. Okay, cool. There is the auto in this one. It is another rookie for the Pacers, Enrique Freeman. Enrique Freeman, rookie auto for Indy. High voltage, LeBron. Wemby, sheesh. Buzelis. Claxton is a green out of 149. Kyrie is out of 75. Kyrie Irving out of 75. Sheesh, LeBron. RJ Barrett is out of 199. All right, that'll do it, men. Thank you. Got a filler to do real quick. Anybody else here for the filler?